Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are not just going to imitate the iPhone, they are set to completely outshine it. In a recently released video, they showcased their innovative rear screen, fully justifying that rear rectangular module, which is unlike the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's dive into this topic and begin our discussion. This entire situation originates from a viral video on Weibo. It was published by an official channel of Xiaomi Mobile. In this video, the design was revealed ahead of time, which will feature the Xiaomi 17 Pro, showcasing a unique rectangular bar that includes a surprising feature, a functional back screen. They've chosen to name it the Magic Back Screen. Similar to the vertical folding smartphones, this secondary screen offers the ability to view app notifications, potentially display various widgets, provide quick information, and showcase different watch styles with a variety of watch faces. Additionally, users can even interact with an artificial intelligence assistant through this innovative screen. However, its most significant role will undoubtedly be the ability to use it as a preview screen for taking selfies with the rear cameras, fully utilizing their high quality. Moreover, when discussing these rear cameras, the well-known leaker Digital Chat Station has disclosed that the Xiaomi 17 Pro will boast a brand new 50-megapixel Leica triple camera system. The ultra-wide camera will be 17mm and the main camera will have an aperture of f1.67. While the telephoto lens would feature an aperture of f3.0 and a focal length of 115mm, allowing it to achieve a 5x optical zoom. Last week, company called the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max its most advanced flagship ever, highlighting its cutting-edge technology and imaging. But comparing the leaked specs of these cameras to last year's Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we might question this. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 4-camera Leica system, emphasizing its 1-inch Sony Letia 900 main sensor and impressive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This is where the question arises. Is it truly the maximum technology that we observe in the 17 Pro Max? Transitioning from a highly praised 1-inch sensor to one that on paper appears to be inferior, or decreasing the resolution of the 200 telephoto lens down to 50 megapixels? This indicates that Xiaomi might be making some sacrifices in the photographic hardware, perhaps to allow more space and justify the cost of the new Magic Back Screen. Although we might say that this new screen is innovative, it might imply that the true leader in photography within Xiaomi's history is still the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Perhaps in the future they will release a Xiaomi 16 Ultra to somehow fulfill the desires of those seeking the pinnacle in photo technology. However, with these Pro models they aim to incorporate this innovative rear screen. But remember, a leak isn't a presentation. We'll need to wait for the official launch to confirm camera details. For now, what is official is the incorporation of this rear screen. You tell me, what would you prefer? A 1-inch sensor and 200-megapixel zoom, or this new rear screen? The truth is that I like the rear screen, but I wouldn't want them to make sacrifices on the camera. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you. You can tell us, and we'll see you next time.